Hello everyone, nice to see you again in another video of my channel Amr's Health Hub. In this video we're gonna talk about the golf elbow pain. Medial epicondyle or golf elbow is a very sensitive area around the funny bone around this place. A rapid movement like a boxing, or if you are in a constant using of the arm, if you work in a computer, or a nerve compression could lead to a pain around this area. The treatment of the golf elbow pain, it's not supposed to be only around the elbow joint. We have also to know if the problem from the carpal tunnel, for example, or the wrist, the elbow, or a nerve compression from the vertebra of the neck. In this video, I'm going to share with you some pro tips treatment of how to fix and treat your golf elbow by yourself at home, covering all the causes of the pain. For the first treatment, I want you with your hand to grab the elbow which is having the pain and rotate it laterally to the other side. Simultaneously, while you are doing that, I want you to do flexion and extension of the arm. Keep doing that for around 10 seconds or 15 seconds and then rest for another 10 seconds for post-isometric relaxation. For the second treatment, it's related to the fascia around the forearm. I want you to hold the same arm which is having the pain and pull it to one direction. While you are doing that, move flexion extension for the wrist. You can do this for 10 seconds and then do the same while you are pulling to the other side, the other direction. And also do the same movement up and down of the wrist. You also can do this for 10 to 15 seconds and then take a rest another 10 seconds. Another beneficial treatment is how to release any muscular stiffness around the scapula, which sometimes is the cause of any nerve irritation. The treatment is very simple. We can bring any small ball, like a tennis ball. Let's imagine we have a small tennis ball and we place it around on the wall. Try to place your scapula on the ball, and we're gonna use our own body weight to create a resistance against the ball. So we'll place our body on the ball around the scapula area. We will push to create a resistance. We will try to move side by side and up and down until we will locate the knot. When we will locate the knot, we will push our body against it for a resistance, as I said, and then we will move our arm like this, side by side, and also like this, up and down. Combine all of these treatment with some neck stretching, and this will help you to reduce the pain around the golf elbow. I hope this video was beneficial for you. Please do share your comments below. I wish you a healthy week. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video.